Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce housing market anxiety with Zillow, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your specific housing needs. Consider the type of property you're looking for. Define your budget clearly. Visit the Zillow homepage to access a plethora of listings. Utilize the search bar to enter your desired location. Apply filters based on price, number of bedrooms, and property type. Review the list of available properties displayed. Click on individual listings for detailed information. Examine the photos to gauge the property's condition and style. Take note of the property's features and amenities. Read through the property description for essential details. Check the price history to understand market trends. Explore the neighborhood insights provided by Zillow. Look for nearby schools, parks, and public transportation options. Utilize the mortgage calculator to estimate monthly payments. Adjust your budget if necessary based on the financial assessment. Create a favorites list to keep track of properties of interest. Set alerts for new listings matching your criteria. Schedule virtual tours or in-person viewings of selected homes. Assess each property during viewings critically. Consider the long-term potential of each neighborhood. Connect with a local real estate agent via Zillow for expert guidance. Review your findings to narrow down your options further. Make an informed decision based on the collected data. Stay updated on market conditions regularly. Manage your expectations to alleviate anxiety. Approach the home buying process step by step. Use Zillow's resources for mortgage advice and buyer tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.